Hello everyone, myself Indu. I am your Taekwondo mentor. Since 2007 Taekwondo. Uh, Today I'm share with you some Taekwondo kicks and some informations like how many forms in Taekwondo and how many kicks are in Taekwondo or some rules. Today I am share with you. Okay, so you are ready?
You can show your thumbs up. Kids, you can show your thumbs up if you're listening. Good. They are ready.
Okay.
Ready. Yeah.
So in Taekwondo, 8 forms are there. How many forms you have learned? Please tell me.
How many forms have you learned? Kids, are you able to hear?
You have done your yellow belt, no? Now you are preparing yourself from yellow to green belt. Yes.
Yes. Yes. You can
So
show your
please tell
thumbs
me
up.
how many forms you have learned or complete.
You can come little one step forward if you want to tell the answer. Good. Very good. You can tell. We are not able to hear you. Will you come closer a little bit? Yes. Very good. Bend down a little bit.
That first form is
Yes.
Ilzang. Ilzang. That you know? Ilzang. First
Ilzan.
form.
First form is Ilzan. Do you know in the yellow belt? You can show your thumbs up if you know.
Ilzang, Izang, Samjang, and Sajang. The 4 forms are there in yellow belt. Yellow belt that you completed.
He's saying yes, Indu.
Okay, good. Then in green belt, where we learn some basic kicks to advanced kick, means turning kicks, simple kicks. We are learn. Then in uh, in kicks, we learn dola cheki. Okay, front snap kick, dola cheki kick, round kick, and doubling kick. That okay.
Okay, great, great, Indu.
All
You'll be
of you.
learning all these steps in
Eddie,
green belt.
just a minute. I'm sorry for the interruption. Eddie, is it fine? I mean, can the students understand what Indu, the coach, is saying?
Yes, they are understanding, but I think her voice has got a problem because she's not audible as you are.
Okay.
Okay.
So I think our coach has to be a little louder, maybe,
Yes.
so it could reach them, or little voice problem. That's why you're not seeing any reactions from the children.
So okay, no issue. थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन कर लेते हैं, some introduction from taekwondo. Okay, after that they will follow me.
Good, great.
Okay,
Great, Indu.
first warm up, then after warm up, some kicks and some blocks I will teach them. After that, some conditioning for 5 minutes. They will follow me. Okay,
Sure, sure. Okay.
fine. So in taekwondo, some rules and some that what fouls are there, that you know ki in fighting time you are ready like this. Attention means chariot, and you respect your teachers, coach, like this. Then you speak what you speak that time. You speak what you speak when you are standing like this in chariot position.
What do you say, kids, when you do bend and what? How do you greet?
How do
Like
you
this.
greet your teacher, kids? How do you greet your teacher?
How do
When you
greet?
bend like that, what do you say?
first of all, you are standing like this in attention position. Then you uh, bend
Forward.
and
Bend forward.
yes, forward. Then you speak.
And what
They
do you
don't know.
say?
ma'am.
How do
In
you
Korean
greet
language,
your
in Korean language, you speak. Nobody will.
Anybody know? Anybody know? Anybody can come in front of the
Yes,
in
yes,
front
please
and
say.
tell us.
Yeah, you can say. Please say. How do you greet your teacher? You have to
Be
be
a
louder.
little
Come
louder.
closer. Come closer. Come
Come
closer to
closer
the
to the
laptop.
system. Yeah. Now say.
No, he's not audible.
Okay,
Okay,
I will
he's trying
share
to
with
say
you some.
something. Yeah.
I will share with you some basic vocabularies. Okay, like 1 to 10, counting Hana, Dul, Shit, Nit, like this. Or some kicks name that we are speaking in English, slap kick. In Korean language, we say the Dola Chiki kick, like this. So I will share with you some vocabularies. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So your teacher will be sharing some vocabulary with you.
Now we are start with English, like 1, 2, 3 counting type, or in English kicks,
Yes, yes.
Kids,
name of kicks.
if you can hear Indu, Indu is your teacher, and if you can hear her, can you give us a thumbs up?
Yeah, they gave a thumbs up earlier also, Vinay. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
good.
great.
So, ma'am, start करें?
हाँ जी. Please continue.
Okay.
Please start.
First, we have to start from stretching exercise. Okay. All of you ready?
Good.
Good.
Very nice.
We have to start from neck to toe. Okay. First, we have to stretch our neck. And you cross your fingers like this, okay, and you keep here at back side of your neck like this, and you have to stretch. You applying here opposite force.
You have to apply an opposite force and then stretch. Good. That's great.
Okay, leave, change. See, my right hand cross my hand
Right hand.
like
You
this.
have to take your right hand. You have
Okay.
to do it with your right hand.
Now stretch from left side.
Good. That's great.
Now change. With left hand, you have to stretch from right side.
Good.
Okay. Change. Stretch your
Change.
hand like this. Left hand, stretch with your right hand. Okay. Change. Right hand, stretch with your left hand. See, both hands, like raise your hands, and left hand touch your shoulder from then stretch your hand, elbow, like this. This side
Great.
portion,
Wonderful.
full portion will stretch like this. When you
Yeah.
stretch like this, na, then your full portion will stretch. Now change.
They are following very nicely, Indu.
Thank you. Okay, now side bends. Right hand up and then down. Stretch. If you are not stretched, then you got injuries. So please avoid injuries. Left hand up, then stretch your left side. Down, down. Very good. कोई भी मैम झटके से नहीं करेगा इनको, प्लीज थोड़ा सा
You
बोल
have to do all the movements very softly. Okay?
दीजिए. Okay, both hands up, then down. Touch your toes very slowly. and nobody will bend your knees. Look, knees are straight, okay?
Yeah, you have to
Then
keep your knees straight and then bend. Good, very nice.
now up. Take your breath like inhale or exhale with each and every exercise when you will do. Take a long breath, okay?
Yeah, you have to
Now
take a deep breath.
leg stretch करेंगे, okay? First from right side, hold your knee and then stretch.
Great, wonderful.
Down. Hold your leg at back, then stretch your leg. Nobody will push like this forward, straight.
Yeah, you should always try to stand straight. You should not bend
Okay,
when you are
leave.
doing this exercise.
Change your leg. Hold your left leg. Change. Look from back side.
Okay, you have to hold your toes. Kids, you have to hold your toes between your fingers, hand, and then stretch it.
Stretch.
Good.
Leave. Now on the spot jogging. Start jogging on the spot. Knees up.
Very nice.
Light jogging, light jogging, light.
Light jogging. It should be a light jogging, not too heavy.
Fast. Do fast. Okay, stop. All of you, knees up from belt level
Okay.
to belt level,
You
okay?
have
Like 30 times. Let's
you
start.
have to do 30 times. Please start. Kids, please start. Yes, good. Great.
Knees up.
30 times.
When you complete, then you speak, yeah, like this.
Up to be.
Done. Almost done. Wow,
Great.
very good. Now jumping jack. Okay, 30 times jumping jack.
Wenda.
Yeah. Done. Now
Yes.
neck rotation. Start from neck. Neck rotation. Clockwise 10 times and after 10 times anti-clockwise. Okay. Start.
You have to do it very slowly. Kids, you have to do it slowly.
Slowly.
Good. That's great.
Then change anti-clockwise.
You have to do it anti-clockwise now.
Okay.
Now hand exercise. Hand rotations. Clockwise 10 times. Then anti-clockwise change.
Change.
See, your right hand, open your feet. Okay, now your right hand touch your left shoulders and go back like this. Stretch your upper body. Fine. Then change. Your left hand touch your right shoulders and then stretch your upper body like this. 10 times from right side, 10 times from left side. Okay. Now start.
Good. They're doing it.
Okay, stop.
Stop.
Hip rotation.
Keep rotating.
Full rotation. Full rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. With 4 counts. Okay. 5 times clockwise, then 5 times anti-clockwise.
Change side.
Now change. Your right leg forward.
Right leg forward.
Right
Forward.
leg forward. Bend your right knee. Bend your knees.
Ayla Sangha.
And stretch back leg stretch. Okay, that means calf stretch. With this exercise your leg will stretch. Look forward, your shoulders look straight. Change like that, only change. Okay, now left leg forward and right leg back. Hold your waist like this and then
Hold,
bend.
you have to hold your waist. Yeah. Good. Great. Wonderful.
Look forward. Up. Change. 5 times you have to do.
You have to do it 5 times. Repeat it 5 times on the right side and 5 times on the left side. Forward and backward. Forward and backward. Good.
Now relax. After 5 times, relax your leg. Shake your leg.
Take your leg.
Okay, open your feet. Open. Alternate toe touch. Okay, alternate toe touch. From right hand, we have to touch our left toe. Okay. Let's start. 30 times we have to do. Start. And your they have.
Yeah, they're doing it perfect.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Awesome.
Okay. First, we have to take fighting stance, sparring stance. Okay, like this. First kick, we have to start from our back leg. Okay, and you know front kick, front snap kick, like this. Push anything and then back.
Okay. You have to do it with your right feet. not with the left. Your
Okay,
right feet should be in
from
front.
yes, we have to start from our right leg.
Kids, are you able to hear? You have to use your
Understand?
right feet first. So it should be in the front position. Right feet should be in the front position.
Your leg like this. Okay, you are jumping on both legs like this.
Okay.
And when I say kick, then kick from your back leg like this.
Okay.
Front kick.
Front
Front kick. Okay. Push kick भी हम इसको बोलते हैं. We are speak like push kick also.
Okay. We can also call it push kick
Push
or
kick.
front kick.
Yes. Jump,
So
jump, 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 jump. Kick. Back.
Kick. Good. Awesome. Perfect.
Jump, jump, jump. Then like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5. Kick. Back.
Okay. So you have to
1,
count up to
2, 3,
4
4.
and then fifth time
Back.
you have
Kick.
to kick. Good.
Okay. Jump, 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 jump. Kick. Back. मैम इनको बोलना कि अपना पैर लूज ना छोड़े, बिल्कुल मतलब टाइट खड़े रहें और ऐसे किक करके देन बैक. पैर को
Okay.
लूज ना छोड़े और आगे नहीं रखेंगे, पैर पीछे ही
Okay.
रखेंगे.
Fine. So you have, listen kids, listen please. You have to keep your legs very when you kick. Okay, so you should not keep your legs loose while kicking. Good. उन्होंने thumbs up दिया मैम. We can go forward.
Yes. Jump, jump, jump. You hold your dobak. You know na dobak? Your taekwondo dress.
You
Okay,
have
you
to
hold
hold
from
your
here.
dress. Yeah. Okay. Yes, great. Wonderful.
Okay, jump, 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 kick. Back. Jump, 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 kick. Back. How many kicks you have done? How many kicks? After 10 kicks, then you change your side, okay? Your right leg forward and left leg backward.
Okay,
Okay.
great.
Then jump, 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 kick. Okay? Jump, 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 kick. And they, students, na, they are picking of their belt levels.
Okay.
Not,
Okay, so
not
kids,
below
you
the
have-
belt, okay?
Okay, so they have to kick to their belt level or below it? Indu ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Not
They
below
have
the
to-
belt. Not below the belt.
Okay, so kids, you should not kick below your belt level. So your kick should always be at the level of your belt or above it. Okay?
Above it, ma'am,
Great.
above
Give
it,
me
okay?
thumbs up.
Yes.
Give me thumbs up if you are listening. Great, wonderful.
Now start again. 10 times from left leg. Now stop the jump. Okay. Don't jump. Now we are continuing the kicks. Okay. Like 1, then second. आप अपना पैर चेंज करते रहेंगे और किक करते रहेंगे. बैक लेग से किक करेंगे लाइक दिस. उसको फॉरवर्ड रखेंगे एंड देन चेंज योर लेग फॉरवर्ड बैक. Kick, land. They understand, ma'am?
Yes, yes, they understood. They are doing it very well. We
Good.
can move forward.
30 times we yes. 30
So
times
we
keep
have to
करेंगे.
repeat
15
this
times,
30
15
times.
times. Like
Okay.
start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hana. Dul. Ship. Smith. Spaceship. Spaceship. Algo. Yahoo.
Great. Wonderful kids. Very nice. Yes.
Shake your leg like this. Rest. Rest for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now change. Dola chiki kick. Okay. Slap kick. We have to slap someone like this, na? Yeah. Like this. Okay. See the target. Like this. Fine. Like this. So step by step we have to do in with counting. 1, knee up, back, knee up, back, knee up, back. 5 times from right leg,
Right side and 5 times from left side.
left side. Yes.
Okay. So we
Change.
can start with it, Indu?
Yes,
Kids, you
ma'am.
can start with your right leg first.
तब मैम ये अपना राइट लेग अप करेंगे तो नीचे वाला जो पैर है उसकी हील जो है घूमेंगी, मींस टर्न करेगी,
Turn होगा. Okay.
टो पे टर्न करेंगी.
Okay. So, okay. So can you see,
Like
kids? Can you see how your teacher is saying? How is she doing? Good.
If you are
Will
standing
please
like
do
this,
it
na,
five times with the right
change,
leg.
like this.
Yes. Yeah.
First
Will
you
you
have to
please
stand
stand
like
once?
this. You have both leg like this in
Okay.
that line, and when you
Okay. So
take first
you
step,
stand.
then
हाँ.
your the alternate leg also turn with your
Okay.
right leg. Okay, like this, then down.
Okay. So please, we can start it. Kids, we can start it. 1. Good. Great. 2.
Drop your leg forward. Okay, like this.
3. 4.
Both hands here. Okay, hold your uniform.
Hold your uniform with both the hands and do it 5 times with right and 5 times with left leg.
Now change with
Change. Good.
Okay.
Start. 1. Good. 2. 3. 4. And then 5. Great. You have to hold your uniform over here near the collar.
always you make here your blocks. Okay, now belt level, a simple kick we have to do like this, simple kick.
Okay. So
Nobody,
now it's a simple kick which will go up to your belt level only. Yes, Indu ma'am.
Your hands here, then start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, kids,
9,
you are not
10.
following one thing. Please stop, please stop. You have to hold your uniform over here. So your hand should be up over your near your neck. And now you have to start. Now we can start. Great. Great. Start. Good.
अपर बॉडी को मैम नीचे नहीं लेके आना, इनको प्लीज इन्फॉर्म कर दीजिए.
Okay.
अपर
And
बॉडी
you
स्ट्रेट
should not
रहेगी
bend
only.
your upper body below. It should be straight. And the kick should be up to the level of your belt. Good.
Nobody will jump. Okay, only
Okay,
it's
great.
only simple way.
Yeah.
Good. Now dola chiki kick like this. दिख रहे हैं? See, back,
So, okay.
back.
Can you see that?
Open your like this.
You have to
See,
open your feet
1,
properly.
turn your
And then
2,
turn
3, 4,
3,
5.
5. Once
See,
more, Indu ma'am, please.
1, 10, 2. 2
Turn.
में आपका जो see 1, 2.
Yes.
2 में आपकी जो ये sorry Sorry.
You have to turn. You have to turn your leg. Direction of your leg.
1, 2, 3. They both points in one line.
In the same line.
See,
In the same
shoulder.
line.
Yes, in the same line. Shoulder, hip, knee, and then open your leg.
Okay.
Then close. Again down.
Good.
All of you
Please
stand.
try it once. Yeah, please.
They have
आप
to-
एक बार देख लीजिए. इंदु मैम, just see once how they do. Kids, can you
मैम
do it?
ये सभी बच्चे मतलब एक दूसरे की सपोर्ट ले सकते हैं या फिर दीवार के साथ खड़े हो सकते हैं. दीवार के साथ खड़े होकर ये ठीक करेंगे.
Okay, so if you take each other's support, that is okay with this step, or you can stand by the side of the wall and do this step because you will need some support while doing it. Kids, are you able
Like
to
this.
hear me what I'm saying? Good.
You stand
so you
near
can
by the
take
wall.
support of each other, or you can stand by the side of wall and take the support while doing this step, like your teacher
basic,
Indu ma'am is doing.
बेसिक
Good.
बहुत अच्छे से करेंगे. विद काउंटिंग्स वी हैव टू डू लाइक 1 टर्न
Great.
Okay.
They are doing it.
3 4 पे बैक. विद
Okay,
4
let us
काउंटिंग्स
start.
वी हैव टू डू लाइक 1
So how many countings, Indu ma'am? Will you please repeat?
4 काउंटिंग्स. 1
4 countings with one leg and 4 countings with other leg. Start. Ready.
two,
Good. Great.
3
Wonderful.
back down. Okay, 1 turn, 3 back down. Okay,
I think the counting you can go a little slow so then they can also do it well. Yeah, they're doing good.
Yeah,
good.
yeah. Eddie is there to help them out. It's really great thing. Yeah.
like
So
1
they can
1
do it. Yeah, 4 times
when I
with the
speak,
right
say
and
1,
4 times
then
with
you
the left.
knee up. They have to do their knees up. 1 2 3 open your leg, then 4 close your leg down. Okay, again 1 2 3 4 back. 1 2 3 4 back. Change. मैं सामने से दिखा देती हूँ थोड़ा सा.
आपको करके
One.
दिखाना होगा. They will follow you. Yeah.
1 में आप नी अप करेंगे और आपका जो पैर है वो ऐसे पॉइंट होगा नीचे की साइड में. ओके, देन
Okay.
1 2 में नी, your waist
Yeah.
or your shoulder, they
Yeah.
are in one point.
Yeah. Eddie is also helping them out. It's really great. Thank you,
Okay,
Eddie.
open your leg like this. See, मेरी kick और मैम ये तीनों चीजें, तीनों
They
पॉइंट्स
are all in one line.
Yes, alignment.
Yeah.
See, open,
Shoulder, hip,
back,
and knee.
and
All are
down.
in one line. They are aligned.
okay. Again, 1 2 3 4 down. 20 times, 10 times from right leg, 10 times from your left leg.
Okay, kids. So we have to do it 20 times. 10 times from right side and 10 times from left side. Great. They have done it.
Okay. किक्स मैम आज के लिए इतने ही, फिर इसके बाद हम थोड़ा सा कंडीशनिंग करेंगे.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Great. Eddie?
All of you stand nearby the wall
Okay.
and knee up. 30 seconds. Hold
You have
your
to hold your feet in the position for 30 seconds.
right knee like this.
Right leg. Yeah, they are holding the right leg only.
30 seconds.
Relax.
Change.
Change. With the left. Now with the left. For 30 seconds.
Okay, relax. Relax. Inhale.
Relax.
Exhale. Down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. कूल डाउन करते हैं थोड़ा सा.
Let us cool down a little bit.
Start from our neck leg. Slowly, slowly. Change. Back. Change. Side bends. Side stretch. Okay. मन बैठ सकते हैं ना ये सब? They have space is there.
Yes.
Okay, all of you sit down.
Yeah. Great.
Inhale, down. Hold your toes and touch your knee from forehead. Touch your knee with your
Touch your knee with the forehead and don't bend your knees, babies.
stretch.
Good.
Relax.
Wonderful. Relax.
Hold your
Relax.
right leg like this
Fold your right leg.
and hold your left toe down. This portion will stretch back side. Okay, up. Change. Left. Hold your left leg and again repeat with your right leg.
Kumar,
Cross your leg like this. Right leg को left leg के side में रखना है and then stretch. Stretch. Change. Now from left side. Change. All of you know butterfly like this. Hold your feet and then okay, touch. Start 30 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then down like this. Slowly, slowly, slowly come forward. Then down. Back.
Great, wonderful.
Okay. Done.
Great, wonderful, Indu. It was awesome. Kids, how did you find the class? You can show your thumbs up or down, how you feel about it. Great, wonderful.
Thank you, all of you. Okay. Take care
Thank
and
you.
do practice when you are free or you have time. This is basics, means Dola Chiki is a very basic kick, front kick also. In next
It was-
class, I'm share with you some important rules, okay? And we teach, we learn Taekwondo in Korean language. If possible, then I will share with you some vocabularies.
Okay, great. Sure, Indu, we can
बताना
share it
मुझे
with
कैसी
them.
क्लास लगी.
बहुत अच्छी. उन्होंने they already showed us thumbs up, Indu. It was awesome. It was perfect.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Eddie.
Thank
Eddie,
you,
are you there?
Induji.
Thank you,
Eddie, are
ma'am.
you there?
Induji, thank you so much. बहुत अच्छा आपने सिखाया.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vinay. Thank you, Rupali, so much for all this
Thank you.
this
Thank
whole
you,
initiative
Rizwan.
and everything. Thank you, Eddie, for being
Thank you,
there.
Eddie.
Thank you, Vinny. Thank you, Nijoki.
Thank you.
We are so happy to finally see all of your children. Children, we are so happy to see you.
Very good.
Eddie, Vinny, there is one request. We cannot hear you, not even the claps. I think the speaker has to be adjusted. Maybe in the next class we can do that. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
Thank you so much, and children, we love you. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for your support, Ms.
Okay.
Wanda. We are very grateful. Thank you.
Thank you very
I'm
much.
actually outside and the
Thank you,
kids are
ma'am.
inside. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. This is a whole big team effort by all of us from one country to another country, all across borders. We all are doing it together. Thank you, each and everyone.
Thank you all.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye-bye.